Hello, everybody, and welcome to fifth grade's curriculum information presentation. Here is the fifth grade team, Mrs. Bierman, Mr. Swasina, Mr. Krotzel, and Mrs. Ackley.
In fifth grade, students will use assignment notebooks. We fill them out as a class at the end of the day. This is a great tool to help the students organize their assignments and any changes in schedule that may come about. We do expect that they fill them out. However, we do not require that they are assigned and returned each day.
Homework is only assigned as needed. We encourage nightly reading, exact path usage, and studying spelling words. If your student does not get his or her work done in the class, they will be expected to complete the work at home. Any work that is missed due to band or orchestra will need to be completed at home.
In fifth grade, late work may result in time indoors for recess to complete the assignment. Retakes on tests, quizzes, and projects are at the discretion of the teacher. Extra credit is not something that we give out in fifth grade. Students will work hard to earn the scores they receive.
Spelling tests will be given weekly except for weeks that only have 2 to 3 school days. Spelling pre-tests will be given every Monday and post-tests will be on Friday. We will not send spelling homework home, but do encourage students to study at home throughout the week.
Students will go to specials 5 days a week. They rotate days that they visit physical education and music education. Appropriate shoes are encouraged for days that students have PE. If you need to bring along a change of shoes, they can be kept in their bags or cubby spaces.
Students are allowed to bring a snack to school each day. We try to promote a healthy lifestyle, so we can encourage healthy snacks such as fruit, vegetables, popcorn, pretzels, crackers, etc. Please make sure serving size is appropriate and that you are aware if your child has a peanut-free classroom setting.
We love being able to celebrate with your student. Per district policy, treats brought in for the students are to be store-bought and with a label so that any concerns with allergies can be addressed.
This year, students will take part in daily morning meetings. Mondays and Fridays will be reserved for mini lessons and reminders on the BIST lessons and expectations at our school. Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays will give us a chance to use our Sanford and Harmony curriculum to help build communities and discuss social situations that may arise, such as bullying and kindness.
Our school-wide behavior system focuses on 2 school rules. It is never okay to be disruptive, and it is never okay to be hurtful. We teach our students through practice on our school expectations in the classroom, hallway, bathroom, and arrival and dismissal.
We will use math expressions. Our grades will consist of quick quizzes and tests. We will be differentiating instruction for students to grow based on pre-assessments. Students will be pre-assessed in each unit to determine their level of performance in those specific skills. Based on those pre-assessments, they may go to another fifth grade teacher for instruction and support in these skill areas.
This year, we are introducing a new reading curriculum called Wonders. Daily lessons will include whole group and small group instruction, including extensions with phonics, word work, vocabulary, and comprehension skills and strategies. Students will be assessed on the target skill at the end of the weekly skills and strategies.
Our social studies curriculum begins with map skills and develops into how the first Americans settled the land. Second semester, our focus turns into the American Revolution. Students will complete lessons in class through hands-on activities and packets they take notes in. After ample practice in class, students will be given a study guide and then a chapter test.
In fifth grade, our science curriculum starts with a unit of life science. We explore topics such as ecosystems, biomes, cells, and systems. During life science, students will have chapter homework packets that they fill out as we progress through the lessons. Students are encouraged to complete their packets as they are able to use these on quizzes. Chapter tests will be given at the end of a chapter, and notes and books are not used on these tests. Our second unit is a FOSS unit where students will have daily science lab activities involving mixtures and solutions. Students receive lab points and will be given tests at the end of these units. We conclude our year with a space and technology unit where students will explore topics related to space and technology. This is also a FOSS unit, and students will be given lab points and take tests at the end of each unit.
This year, we will use the Writer's Workshop model. This model consists of a mini lesson, writing and conferencing, and a share time each day. The mini lessons will include mentor texts, writing ideas, skills, and strategies to become a better writer.
Thank you so much.